Right, so today I'm working on BD51JCK, and as of today the car's done, what's the mileage? 73,580. I'm just going to do a diagnostic scan of the car. Condition is some bumps and bruises here and there. Just going around the car. For the record, rear wheel. Let's open the boot. Maybe you can't open the boot. Let's look at wheel condition. Scratch here. Okay, so under the bonnet, one thing I've noticed already is that the turbo cover, this is loose. It's not, should be bolted down here, and it's not. Under the rock cover, so there is a vacuum reservoir under the rock cover. This is frayed rather badly, and there's a lot of residual oil on top of the rock cover. But we'll get to that. See what's going on here. So there's a lot of faults on this car. There's 3 in the DME, airbag, and there's 10 faults on the integrated chassis management. I'm going to switch diagnostics because my more advanced one can print this out, store it, and so on. So these are the faults that are recorded in the ECU. There's a lot of no message stuff here which suggests, well, I don't know, software or something's been disconnected. This one though is your ignition cylinder 3 combustion period 2 short. Now that's interesting because it's not actually saying it's a misfire in the normal way. Something else is going on. So I don't think it's worthwhile ripping into the engine until we find out what that is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just see what the software level is on the car, but I'm going to log a support call with Autologic and see what the master techs say. So this is your software report. It just tells me there's an available update for everything, and doesn't actually tell me when or how old the software is on the car, which is what I was hoping for. It does say the target, the level in the car, I think that's from 2016 March, though I'm guessing, and the target would be 2023 March. So that's the software. I'm going to log a call with Autologic and let's then see what they've come back with then on this misfire.